Hey, hi, my name is Pallavi and welcome to my channel Motivation by Pallavi. Let's get started to make food.
If you see my channel first time, please subscribe it.
Take 1 tablespoon oil. After heating the oil, put mustard and cumin seeds. Then green chili, onion. When it colors brown, put washed chopped potato. I have taken here 1 onion, 1 potato, medium size, and after that mix it properly. Take out 1 bowl to clean the poha. Remove water until it's soft, the poha. Add 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder and salt. Mix it properly. Some coriander leaves, little bit salt and little bit sugar. Add in that poha. Mix it from everywhere. Add those poha in a pot and mix from all sides. Hi, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe it, and if you will get to know the recipes that this kind of Maharashtrian recipe, please comment it. Thank you. And you are a new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and you will get to know all notifications and see my post as well and enjoy the delicious recipe. Now, I'm too much hungry for now. Bye bye.